Okay, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, mothers and fathers, aunts and uncles, gays and lesbians, sonke bonke. Once again, Seskhona, up close and personal with Israel Matseke Zulu podcast. Allow me to introduce Tim Mosha, Shaferi. Unjani mfowethu?
Tabultoli.
Hayi, Singali.
Koko.
Yeah, esikhuvethanda closet.
Sweet.
But it's double doli.
It's doli.
Yeah, no. Welcome, my brother.
Sure, man.
Welcome to the podcast.
Sure, man.
Feel free to express yourself. Promote yourself.
Sure, man.
Let people know who you are from today. Even those who don't know you or those who know you, they will re-know you. So, who are you?
Man, Lizula Kimansan Malala.
Yeah.
Kagala Mamelodi. The stage name is Kume Marti, Tim Mosha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tim Mosha.
Yeah.
Little Juan Libisole.
Elvizula Hurtman, the Tarlega Maravia, Nuratevene.
Yeah.
Chumingwe, Gamane, no Tigin, Nasa Kali.
Yeah.
Sulaga Lagamola, or waiting at Tauni, let's take it.
Yeah.
So when one Tatsula Mugera, I just sold to senior Clapate.
Yeah.
I will know more Shaju.
Yeah.
So when I'm on the saying once I will do more shallow. So got Marapila Pila what should Lamaniana on this time. Karamu, Timos.
Timos.
Yeah.
Oh,
Via school, it will be Pitori at the Motiling Run over the driver, and no sharp if you go.
Yeah.
The number of also let's live.
Now it's in the Nahanahuri. When I came across the name Tim Mosha,
Yeah.
I thought maybe the name was inspired by Agire. We are in the entertainment industry.
Yeah.
Kuti Nyamosha, entertainment wise. Ushugutage Koson Lande.
Yeah.
Nishaina.
Yeah.
So, what do you do for a living?
I started a business here, farming, you know.
Okay.
So I was busy farming after taking a break from music.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you are a musician?
Yeah, I'm a musician.
What genre?
I'm versatile. I did songs with Master Kechi,
Okay.
my piano, but into I'm getting a piano.
Oh, getting a piano?
Yeah.
Oh, which generation are you?
Yeah,
Actually, Talo Hasil.
Yeah, talent.
Mara wa velas.
Bengzali Plata.
Oh, DJ.
Yeah, Bengzali Plata.
Oh, ziti farming.
Yeah.
Ziti teacher.
Yes.
Ziti producer.
Yes, I produce.
Vocalist.
Yeah.
So, ufile kanjani mawusebenza no Master KG as one of the recognized producer, singer worldwide.
Yes, Master Kechi Rutman. I met him before
the fame.
Yeah. Before a fame.
Before the Ferraris and the Lamborghinis.
Before the heat.
Before the heat. Jerusalem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's kind of open mic production.
Okay.
Yeah, I record level.
Yeah.
So
open mic.
Yeah, open mic.
Okay.
He used to stay there. Asalata, mangisa ngimbona every day. Ngithi kanzona marore maracho. Ngisho manje ubuyezo yini.
Yeah.
Yeah, ukukhuluma lesi
ebulobeni. Okay.
Kama ba.
Yeah.
Yeah. So manje ustehele man usweet akazi next udli KFC kuphela.
Yeah.
Yeah, masindlula so sindlula amareturent. Makabona KFC.
Yamiwa.
Athe le para ashilo.
Yeah.
Akazi amasifood.
Yeah, kiyo madala. Ufuna lo madala weportal.
Akazi seafood akazi next mase Cape Town Express lapha na so shoot lapha. Masibona KFC.
Yeah.
Angisho manje kunama prawns namakhala calamari nana. Imazi isikhathi leso mina manje before ashaya amabhalibhalo ngishiyaka. Umfana untsembo play.
Yeah.
Akusi iplus jump.
Yeah.
Yeah, lo muntu octor ngifeyini.
Yeah.
Umuntu change na.
Was indaba zakhe.
Yeah, was story sakhe.
Passionate about what he's doing.
Yabonakala ukuthi ukhulela naye abapaka strategy.
Yeah. So what influenced you to become a musician?
Yazi Rockman Tenika Mazu Sinyaka. Umama uPrenda Fasi.
Yeah.
Mama mbakacula no backing singer yakaTenika Mazu.
Oh, uKamazu.
Yeah, uthi.
Mjukate. King Kamazu. Aw.
Yeah, so ngisesemncane so bebangishiya nobongani Fasi.
Yeah.
So manje tayeng baba e-studio ngibona uBramandla lapha kuMajevan manje speaker eGalo.
Yeah.
Galo Taro.
Yeah, uGalo Records.
Yeah, eGalo lapha. So mina bengikhula vele ngithanda ukujayiva yabona.
Yeah.
So follow culture ya laba ma-Congolese boko follow me,
Yeah.
So those people, they've got groups, they perform as a group, they practice, they rehearse, so ngathi into yami leyo yokujayva kuphela. Plus manje ngaqala ngaba i-DJ. Ngathi nefuna ukuthi plus ingoma lezi piano stool. And mina ngumjayivo khona. Ngithi yazi and mangene emaphapini manje vele ine-owner vele izomnandi yabona. Masingena ngithi mina indaba le ukuthi ugroove ngithenga utshwala fanele ukuthi stop. Fanele ukuthi utshwala lo umpatale ukuthi masifika tasenze ukuthi kube mnandi.
Wena kumele kube uJayiva. You are a beneficiary. You must be a beneficiary.
Itimosha dide. So ngathi sinyara tlapate.
Ngathi nya kumele.
1000.
Sinyara tlapate.
Oh mosha.
That's it. Ngayibona le tone yakho. I've listened to a couple of tracks you sing. You've got this plus awuquli kakhulu nje ushaya ama line.
It's not just like
ama gimmick nje. Ama gimmick. So ingoma le so fast lahlade. Where did you get the track?
Isinyara tlapate le ngi recorda nge-26 December. So fast lahlade ngi recorda nge-28 December. Angisi artist.
Okay.
Ngi DJ. And then ngi-DJ eGlali House. Manje ingoma lezi mangiceda ukuzesa manje ngiyazizwa manje ngiyiwana singishayisa abantu ngihlaba amahloni yabo. Angikhona ukuthi usungane wami ukuthi nje utlola nje eTlaboso utlola kuyawubhela bena lebe. Ngiyiwana se-January is 3 days. Ngine-gig somewhere. Angilahlele isinyara tlapatela last track. Umnikazi wendawo leyo uSiri Duncan athine uGrootman enyesekazi uSiri Duncan. Athine manje akabani into le abantu bagibela amatafula. Ngithi miphatha mana kusuwe la. 1 minute si 3 January but here yakhala lapha eFanal Park. Etrupini. Abantu laba kuthengisa ama-veg amateksi abadlula la ngizwe ibhayisa mina yena.
Sinyare tlapate.
Awumasha sapatela. Ngibuyele ushafulu uyi-producer Timosha. Ngithi nje yazi kwenzakala nje ne. Umama mbakashana uBrenda Fassie ingoma lezi ezithule ngibona ngathi sifuna ukuthi sithi
revive
yazi TV.
Awona
masingathola iTV. Mina ngine connection nyana ngafonela abantu abayi3 bangitshela ukuthi singenza kanjani ukuthi sikhona ukufika eTV.
Okay.
Ngifonela uDeni kaMasu ngithi malume ngiphethe enye into. So wabina no. Ke kabina Grootman. Arno batla go bereke a re push di plug mo social media. Di push di etsa so. Plus wa mtsebo Deni kaMasu I was shosho size o ga choose. Re tsebe ona shafore until re tloa ke re mfana ka mo a re ntho nne. Sontshe re be haufi le Josi. A re phele Auckland Park. A re tsama jo ke tsela petrol. Re Josi jo. Kale ba le teng di artist Pitori. Tsa Pakadi. Tsa dipina tse tesa a re dese ka selo. Le diamonds ba paletse go fitlha mo TV. Na re tsama a re TV njo a re if the mountain can come to Mohammed then Mohammed can go to the mountain. A re jo. A re Josi. Fitlhe Josi re kere mantho fa manga itu ba re banya go re sa ena mara dipina tsa ba di tlhalwa.
It's a Pitori.
Ba you know these songs. Ere bo ke botsa ntwana nyana re ska wa moya. After a week, but phone in elements. But Pina la taboo juice. What a shot of one, but a shot of Sverba phone of one, but so the full Murteve. Get one only one. Never sign me because I cannot know each other. Concentrate in the middle of the pie. Mar Ega Chawa, now we are Kalawa. Gauka Kalawa, Nyaka, Gauka Mabala, no Serva. Are you always signing over peanuts at a chippies? Arma, get Kim Monata. Can I will have a Tosca Baramuri? You're not being a woman, a memory, Mochipisium, was so. Get as long as Bakuno at Chipis if it's a code. And get a color different peanuts at Limpo. Mama open megas wagar. Mula, Rama, our sign it, Senegal, and I will give me a spend her music. Kekam kuki mita master keji ko ko label because kimona da na sanera
open mic
production
because ke abona all the video tsenga ata di fela di open mic. Open mic is a stable.
Ke stable.
Ke record label. Okay. So ufama in
chicken and vegetables.
And then supply abomang.
Community is abandile pelekere ke ho.
Okay.
So
Di fella ona la.
ya di fella ra.
Okay, azango supply bo KFC.
Ya zangi mara no I had to stop a little bit because sele ba tshwara pota ba bona ba bereki.
Esa.
Ka ke re mo tshuguleng.
O ba tshwara ba poda ko wena
Ya
ba
ba bona
bona.
bereki da so and medical ne ke mo first ana apply na class ba so ke tlhakentse ke bona re movement wa ka bana ba nyaka nna bana ke di plus champi.
Yeah.
Ya
Hantle ba batla wena.
banyaka nna ba bona pila ke bana ke motho dibuka na accounting.
Yeah.
So ke khona bona re motho a flopa na tshwere bokae.
O kelezitse.
Ke kelezitse ne ke fele English ke pass accounting le maths.
Okay.
Yeah.
Accounting and maths.
Yeah.
I think those are most important
Yeah,
subjects.
so
You can be accountable and you can speak English
Yeah.
at the same time.
so yeah, bana nga bona re ish motho ba mkhila na tshwere bokae na bona.
Yeah.
So probably banyaka pa ba ngere ba bona batho ba mo mokeiting mo femeng. Se bana no 65 rand that's maybe it's 100 and something thousand.
So Shapile wire le Master KG.
Shapile waya le Master KG. Ke shapile
Yeah.
Takalanga
Yeah.
le Makhathi.
Yeah.
Fumurani le Makhathi. Expanele ba pa
Olwena you are a Limpopo genre. You are a Limpopo dude.
No, you know, not as I said,
Yeah.
ke motho wa follow go follow me.
Well,
Aki motho
your music was serious.
Yeah.
Yeah, bo Salifa.
Self-Kate.
Yeah, bo Salifa Kate.
Yeah, so ke versatile.
Oh,
Go bolong ka sedale 9 fela go tlala 10 go tlala 11.
okay.
Netwa itse batho ba beang go ka ema ka music wa meditate wa ira eng ba bang ba tla re wele ba bang ba tla re eng nna sa ga
So it cost again this thing ya hore how fetso etsa pina. O be le ditlhong o sa batle ba itlhale batho ba ihutle.
ba no wa bana DJ tse bo Vinny Da Vinci.
Yeah.
Grootman.
Yeah.
Bo Reggie Malangane.
Yeah.
Oscar Mbo.
Yeah.
Oscar Mbo he became brave. Rena le DJ tsa house rena le or daringile ya o bona.
Oh, pride.
Ya go re tsa house a no le tsa piano.
Yeah. Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah. Jora shapa house,
house.
Yeah.
Ka o tsena dao school ntho di metsa so.
Yeah.
Nka le tsa wena mos ka house. Nka re tsena so ka price la ila shule mo.
Yeah.
I tswa collector. First track.
Yeah.
Exclusive.
Yeah.
Nthongwe ya vi ya lu vega.
Yeah.
Second track. Frankie Nake le ngaka le tsile ka plata. Third track. Understand?
Yeah.
Por kore khela o tintse so ke tshwene so.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Ke babya. So for nake le DJ house ka mkhulu ko tlhaga pina o tshwana lela. No tshwantse re ke tlhaile ka nthong ka sengile ngwa house.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
So the same thing that happened to me happened to Oscar Mbo.
Yeah.
Oscar Mbo le tlala lena ra. Batho ba bang producer o irang batho ba ra Oscar ba nona tsa di chila ba. Can't read the story sir.
Yeah.
Image high.
Oh.
Ka mohapa ka mkhwa parang ka teng. Ntho e tshuna ngwe story sa yo. A shule mmele la.
Yeah. So o believe go nthong ya yetsa.
Le nna same applies. Story sa Oscar Mbo ka mona. O thutse thopo.
Yeah.
Wa o pera ba no. Ya tshwara mona.
Yeah.
Batho ba rata.
Yeah.
Phone call it were busy.
So have you been to overseas?
Not yet.
Not yet. If you have to visit overseas, which country?
What I know, I come to talk about the cruise.
Yeah.
But we know the cruise recently. Why? They recorded, they shoot, they released it after 4 years. I want to China, very challenge. Kasi kango yon kama miluji. Mutata wili.
Commands.
Yeah, mutata wili.
Yeah. Oh, mutatabedi. Yeah. Utabedi wa highly skebeko.
Yeah, still go was cruise.
Oh. Le jwalo na botaki.
Yeah,
Ha o etsa ntho entle ka o batlane.
yeah.
Tshwantse o phele bophelo bao on the edge of death.
Yeah,
Then you'll be favored. Or o be sebotho.
Yeah, e ka pele.
Yeah.
So why I trend? I did favors, many favors. For pipe owners, for man get to invest in.
Yeah.
If you can like a
Yeah.
but I looked at how things happened. Being a tender, people are making challenges. No pub owner is posting the song. And by the way, when the song is like that, it's not more my song. It's South African song.
It's for the people.
It's for South Africa.
Marabai post.
It's a world song.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
It's
one
national anthem.
It's one about the world greatest.
Yeah.
The world key.
Yeah.
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 So you always on social media. You're looking at the challenges police people, they're doing the challenge. They're doing the challenge.
What is your strength, Umurapedi? How do you strengthen yourself spiritually? What do you do? Do you pray? What's your belief?
I sit alone.
You meditate, you sit alone.
I talk to myself.
You talk to yourself.
Yeah.
Your inner voice.
Yeah.
You introspect.
Yeah. Immediately when I do that, there's something that's going to happen. I'm going to find a sign.
Okay.
Yeah. If you already got I can do that for days.
Okay.
And then nothing happens. I can get information. I can see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So how can we change the situation of stereotypical stigma black mentality when someone is rising to the top or is doing it?
You know what I did?
Not appreciated.
Where to get it?
Yeah.
Ke ngwatse koloi. Ke paile PM ka ngwala koloi timo shawawa.
Yeah.
It Kerisi taxi. Ispinne.
Yeah.
Ila lotse pa.
Yeah.
Kerisi taxi ispinne re steka o pente. Ke mitile batho ba bantsi mo.
Yeah.
So ke bone dilo tse dintsi mo phelong ba. E nrutilana tene nna tete. A ngwe se botho. Ba sa khuzi dikhuzi. Ba sa khuzi. Dikhuzi because they didn't really chelete when we rela la when Europe motho. Tingwane ta. E tlo happen te. E tlo ha sticker se le tlo. Angara ka tlo koloi.
Yeah.
And by the way re ka dikoloi life go lo smooth. Re gile go lekima. But I will go shoot khona maintenance ona na. So ka go sticker se le ke pala go pela ka se seng. Se ska te tlo sa sticker se. Mara ba ba mbatla ba dile tete.
I've seen your videos. You are one of those artists sa like nka be jwang. Nka re se sa tagwing ke fame. Those artists who are not too much. Bon, o tshwana le ba re ke mang ke re na lo mmona go TV Mr. Malungelo se. Mr. Malungelo. And ngare Charles Orata the artist that's tshwanang le lona so. Ba ngare di underground nyana but people artists who have persistence and sustainability. Khona artists are famous like Mutasha Pepina no vele adume vele kucace vele into yakhe vele iyenzeke manje iphele manje. So how do you sustain?
I've got dreams. And go what's a dream yake one? One puts two questions, for example. One puts a dream. One puts two questions after no what's a dream.
Yeah.
Dream yake go hore ke to pone go tswa.
Yeah.
Ke tsena ka mara chipi. I mean in the afternoon. Bana ba tla sekolo. Go ba ruta choreography.
Yeah.
Go ba ruta discipline.
Yeah.
Go ba ruta ho khona ho control a fame.
Yeah, okay.
Go ba ruta ho khona ho ba successful. All from background to poor. From tata betang, from papa betang mama. Those things we really need them because South African talent and then not forgetting genre ile ngori hudi le piano. If ngaba selfish, I'd get a level. because ke na le bana ke na le ngwanyana moholo ke na le bana ba babedi ba bashimana bana ba ka botlhe ba rata music
and I am to it.
wa nkutlwisisa nna ke ratile music mme mona le ka mara music mama ka e bona breakthrough ya ka is fine everything happens for a reason but if nka tsa bana ba ka ba bea ka ba ruta professionalism ya ba bona fela
Yeah.
ba ileng hore ke nyoko ira ditene ke a wish hore nka ira it is not gonna be fair wena ka age ya lena henka o butsa question o tlo mpalla batho ba ntshi I've seen them I was still small ba simbole ba matho se tlisne ke tsafile you've seen shows you've seen proper performances Brenda Fassie you know and it made your life easy never sa magalle bena bana no ke shoba magalela because o dance for it a protest ne le ba bantshi
Yeah.
so nna bana ba ka ba dance ba le few ke feel hore tlo ba risk in the near future tshwantsho daring ebe ntho e leng hore le bona ka boshu bana le ba tshwana le bona ba bana ke ba tswadi ba bantshi ba ka ratang hore bana bona ba professional ba be ba khone ho protect the bina. You might have a hit song, but you can't protect the song. That's why the song. But motole ke one hit wonder. O bile busy too much ka hit. Na ya kwale. A forisa di dropo. A spina di bana. Tu ama festero ko ngwa tswa ka mafema mo. Ya bua.
Fame. So how do you protect yourself from that?
I've seen things that are dangerous.
Yeah.
I was taught.
Let me say now you are a teacher.
Yeah.
Teach them. They are watching. Teach them. I'm giving you a platform to teach them. There are
three things.
Yeah.
There's money.
Yeah.
There's girls.
Yeah.
There's drugs.
Yeah.
Out of three, fame, I would say fame is the most dangerous thing.
Yeah. How?
I've seen people but don't get fame, but not banal challenge already. Mutu go come calling, we are billionaire.
And that's not next.
I've seen people swearing, artists swearing at fans.
Yeah.
You ask yourself one
That
question.
attitude.
You ask yourself one question or there's someone who's gonna greet you.
Yeah.
Annoying.
Yeah.
Atamaso.
Are you too excited?
Yeah, I'm a show.
Yeah. One more chance.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying. For time.
All right.
One side.
Jongola.
Let me have seen that.
I've seen professors, doctors.
Yeah. Yeah.
I've seen people who Baba Udule Mutu. Ariki to go from that. Kalum Sadia Hanna, I at Iowa.
Yeah.
Ululum Sadi, Rakato.
Yeah.
Omro. Or room for better treatment. Yes, we can't give people no youth.
Yeah.
The Nagaputing did a hard.
Yeah. Remote.
So Belfast did that.
Yeah. Limpama.
Oh, so Belfast.
Baba stream.
Oh, Belfast.
Tubula magazine. Escalade. I can Baba misbehave.
Yeah, Belfast Motors net.
Yeah.
Answerful.
Yes, sir. Omo wata snap on the phone.
I don't know, negative.
Yes, sir.
Now go to the stage.
Eish.
But to prove the artistic.
Yeah, very.
Yeah, so
my audience are them to go in the TV.
Aremuna. I don't know what I'm fair.
Yeah.
There's no trouble more than to go to Pilar. Then that's a long trouble. Mutuzala Tama Pharmacy letters. I'm not going to Tinagate. Kora have one I relate. I did.
One another mark.
I would say.
Could you follow clean an hour?
Ah, stem precise for me. So, when all the artists,
yeah.
There are many things that you're gonna come across with.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or in all departments.
Yeah.
You can miss a metro.
Yeah.
No, no, celebrity and you chiki.
Yeah.
I'm a Josie, I'm a Josie.
Yeah, no cards.
So if you don't know which stories are, or some temper, or the in Chigam, like it's something solid in your husband.
Well, that's the danger of being famous. Barry Uchilo Notorious PIG. More money, more problems. Linda, I've experienced it. The more you become successful is the more you have many enemies. It's caused by jealous. And then remember, not everyone is making it. We're from poverty, from Mamilodi, from Alexandra, from Davidson. Then you blow out of the mass that doesn't make it, and you make it. Obviously, it becomes a problem to the people. So he has born a winner.
And it's really sad how it turned out to be these days, because we are born every weekend in RIP.
Eish.
RIP, last week. RIP.
Yeah.
So at least hope everything. Like the way a friend of mine passed, DJ Sambod.
Yeah.
The artist.
Yeah.
What we knew was fine. But for the sake, you're bana baskastrati. Bana batsono chaba industry music.
Because so was assassinated.
Yeah.
Barjela mona.
Because mututora nana no go opera. No go. No go temba.
Yes, sir.
So I take art very deep and personal.
Yes, sir.
That's why I get disappointed.
Yeah.
When I see artists acting paparik.
Yeah. Yeah.
Really.
I think that's the most important element.
I know people are entitled to have their own opinions and answers and stuff.
Remember, if you are an artist, you are not a gangster.
Yeah.
But they behave like Kidi Clever.
Yeah, that one.
So you confuse the two.
Yeah, that one.
I understand that you talk a star or a kitsotsi.
Yeah, that one I'm gonna make it clear and emphasize.
Yeah.
Okay. It and use the right weight.
Yeah.
It disappoints me. It hurts me a lot to see people after breaking through, but break through music and then
Sevanana or Kidi Clever. You know what do I call that? It's a syndrome of sense of belonging. Ke bitsa jwalo. Hona le batho ba batlang go belonga. Batho ba etsa dilo because they want to belong. And it's done by many politicians, artists. They are suffering from what I call a peer pressure of a syndrome to belong in the category that you are not. Ke dlala bolo nna. Ke a kgona ko Kaizer Chiefs or ko Sundowns. Ke lo skima di clever. Batho ba utswang, ba shapang di heist or ba shapang fraud. Ba rekang di Gucci, ba rekang di Veve, ba di tsholle, ba tlhape matsogo ka tsona, ba phose tšhelete godimo. Le nna ke batla nka tšhelete ya mogolo wa ka wa bolo. Then ke lo etsa the same thing so that I must look superior in the community. And kanti kwenzakalani ke? Ipari noma ingaphathi imali. Imali ayikwenzi ukuthi ube clever. Jeza mogo moet jou child. Je was a mogo for je head die child. En a clever ikhono bona pari. Ukuthi loya ufuna ukufana nathi. Wenza so ngoba ufuna ukufita kule society yethu. Bese bayamkhabrika. At the end bese bayamhleka. Is what I've seen in many people. It's like being a comrade. You are a leader. We have a right to pick it up, my brother. You are a leader. You are a born leader. You must build a nation. Good, we are in the platform of power, whereby chelete ngata. You're gonna take the money of Muso. Uye tlapong. Ulo reka di Veve tse 9. Di VSOP. O kenye chelete ko dashboarding. O rekele banyana di townhouse le di Mercedes. You are suffering from sense of belonging. Chelete ke chelete e no tshwantseng ke you build a youth club. You upgrade the content tse tshwanang le tse. We need studios We need community centers. We need resources. We need equipment. We need township development. We need skills development, sports and activities development. But that won't happen because our people, they suffer from sense of belonging. Babang, it's like babatokwana gap. Maybe ukhule ahlupheka, and then aba leader athole platform yemali. Ufuna ukuyovala lesa sikoloto lesana asasemncane lesemebe kangatholi. Sekathola imali una 30 something. Ufuna ukuvala lesa space lesana ukuthi bebangithela induku ngasikhathi ngingena isikole. Kanti no bebangakuthela induku. We are different. You are a born leader. You need to do good for the nation. There's nothing wrong if you are a musician or you are a dancer and live a life according your gift. Usabatla go pleaser mang ba re go na le mang o shapa sethunya o apara dikushi o tshwara di side bag ke life ya gae eo. Are we together?
Definitely.
That's the problem I've seen. That's what you spoke about, Hore. You are disappointed. You want artists to be artists. There's nothing wrong. How le muruti umuruti. Usaba shoba muruti whatever.
Just imagine art and sports is more or less the same.
Yeah.
There's nothing special about being an artist.
Yeah.
There's nothing special.
Yeah.
You work at night, you make money at night. They scream at you when they see you, they demand pictures.
Yeah.
Same applies to soccer.
Yes. People must pay attention.
George Lewis
Yeah.
You are an artist, they demand pictures, you are an entertainer.
Yeah.
So you will say
Yeah. Yeah.
voluntary ira he ka ira ke soccer player le bona ba ka ira so bana ba bona na ba tshabela ba sa tshabele go sportsong ba sa tshabele mo arting ba sa tshabele ba tlhoka botshabelo rena re bona re sa ga scars no he re bolaya art re bolaya sport
Yeah.
re bolaya beauties rena ka generation na bana because all of hopola khale phai cold drink ne le itran ba ne le ka dia tura. So ka life ya bona ba se ba hodile batho ba lo ba holo ro thobutura stekete we no bolele art o bolele sport mmere go scars a ona metsi ona mabo
Go tshore abana future bana ba the next generation.
why bon so there is one
I preaching.
there is one na dream ya kana ile hore ke te bona ke tsena ka marakara
Yeah.
ka pastor ke ya kasi
Yeah.
go betha jive tu Jona starata bia.
Yeah.
Jive
Do you go to schools?
o understand
Have you been to schools maybe where Huloba Tusa with information, motivation, whatever you're talking about?
you know Rudman Charles it's not confirmed or to get the letter mo high.
Yeah.
Right at some point my one and again on the ring my one.
Yeah.
Listen to kill soon. Kasi listen.
Yeah.
So catching fu I create message voice note from a lady Latoya. I did a song with a working Jabu. One of the great songs that I've done in my career.
Yeah.
One boat or 8 months already cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, more take it again. Let me have because no already call it getting. I can't get my melody straight though.
Yeah.
Kagele setsa amaskara logo yesterday stemfatero.
Yeah.
So gira to e ko so tsitsi. Gira to ya ko so tsitsi ne ke mama. Le to ya ko so tsitsi ne ke papa. Re ka so re ka feletsa ma melody because ma melody se re ka
Yeah.
But this time I give it to go na bana one appearance.
Yeah.
Ke na le ntho ke nyong.
Where now you take yourself to them.
Yeah, I take myself.
You don't go there by invitation.
Yeah, now I take myself to them.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm going there because when I grew up, no na le gore mane nngwe na rata bola bona so na re tsia re le bafana ntho e irang a sanga ba successful na le ba mo retrenchitse go Telecom but ka tsone ke hodile ke ira so ke nna le rato la diteng ke khone e fila ntho ya ntato mona ntata tsa male bana ba practice sa selo mo passion una le passion wa bona so now if you ask me another question, if you ask me about money, I don't want money. I just want to live for my kids and so that they can get the right information from their dad. And then another one is to teach other kids. I know how it feels when you're a kid and then you go I know how it feels. I know how it feels to no matter how up here I know how it feels. Some of the situations never happened to me. I had friends, I saw them, they were suffering, and then I know how it feels to wait for your breakthrough. I know many artists ba don't want to breakthrough, but never can. I go le tse peanuts e lebeletse batho ba performance o di hit tsa bona ba khone le di perform on stage. I know people, musicians, but they're short tempered. Because
the entertainment is discouraging. Who can a snip up and flash.
It's sad to see a legend. But to meet Maro as a bookie was a but let's target because maybe we're going to manipulate or
manipulate
I know many legends.
So, how do you think we can solve the problem of soccer players and musicians and actors who die poor? Or babang who die overdosing drugs? Babang misuse their money. I blew it.
We are surrounded by hyenas even now. We are surrounded by hyenas even now. Talking about where I come from, open mic production. One of the things that I just have to pass there. It saved many artists. They were coming, things pushers. Those people are busy calling me. When I work and I buy myself things, cars and stuff, they think maybe like holding open my protection. And I never got anything.
But when I'm going special.
And I never got anything, even me.
How do you make it on your own?
I don't know anything about money from open mic protection. Even the wire, I never went to overseas, I never did anything. And it spoils my relationship with people because people are assuming.
Can I be nearly Master KG?
There's a part where I was talking with my boy, Shuffle Music, and I know give like a hoodie. So because I was close to the boss, so we are surrounded by hyenas. So you can't expect a person who doesn't get paid oftenly to be able to save money. Motasa holding every month. You see people who are performing on TV. So I know the taste.
And how to you working from hand to mouth.
So you can't blame people because we must solve X. We can't expect something to solve this mate. 9-9, 10-0. Mpe something. Mpe 4% or 7%, 3%. Never 2% and baiting you.
Sure, when I got mahala.
Oh, when you take a ratola or when you got a rato, Mutaiti, or when you are a peshi, or not a peshi, or never very good peshi. Oh, better stamina. Maberaka opportunity. So, Tondo Pelo Arabella. And when I want to motivate, or no, the rat outside to transfer we you must be patient, you must love what you do. Hand about Lemata. So whenever not another guys was paro, just had a teaspoon, was another chippy hoodie. But you must be humbled. Hoodie, the man. ka o shule nno mbona
But you must be humble, marabona aba humble.
mbona ba nthuntshitse le nna o bushu ba re
Ba. Yeah, life. So if you have to advise the professional artist, okay, what are the generation, the young ones, but to prepare for their future. Let's talk about us.
No.
Let's talk about our presence. How can you advise us? How to survive?
You know, it's very important. The best skill is to save money when you have the opportunity.
Yeah.
That's the best skill ever.
Yeah, save money.
Yeah, yeah,
Then how can you save money? Because regular bonding, regulating to 1.5 million, 32 million, repatala 20 pata a month. Refire the Mercedes, $20 di Hennessy mfethu.
Nako tsa dikolo
Re tsuba di habi.
Nako re te tsa di habi. Life in Elisha. No kono afford. Ka se re ke kolo yona ba no go gola mafelo go ile bona re ya.
Yeah.
Ora no kono afford. Ile na ke reka 6. Ne kono afford. Ta re ke le ka.
Yeah, tell only 4.5 punches and 20.
My 8.
Yo. Ke koloi mo se le tara le one.
I am a music ke ne ke sa itse ke re what's king. I ke sharp for music ke focus mo business. No go pala go le tayere.
Phela ku chaisitse ka X6. Utho re ngani karaka wa incanda. Wa ikwenye.
Flop go re life.
Aku chaisa ka avanza. Utho re tshwantse we nke fe.
Flop go life ele monate re tsa dilo tsa go di.
Yeah.
Nna bese nka e fang ke fela ba plane ba santsane ba tlhang go re fitileng.
Yeah.
Aba sona re go rutana.
Yeah.
Ele mon sona.
Yeah.
Ba benyo.
Yeah, ba betshele.
Nyo go be.
Chelete ya be. I flow you bitch.
Last fishing dite.
Yeah.
Le fogole. Nna lo tsa fishing.
But I've seen I blew it. Why is always artists and more especially the musicians?
Salaba la hore artist.
Moto u blow ile 20 million. We ruti la itsu.
O salaba la hore artism.
Yeah.
It's one of the things. Quantum tsa 5 years na manjiwana wa itse manjiwana o reka McDonald's. Ke artist ke itse ke a tsena weekend go gika. Ke re.
Mfowethu.
Ke phanga.
O ka feta 20 million usina ntlu.
Oh, angre nona ka ro.
Usina business.
Una na ka tshware ke maoto ka tshware ke di concert ka tshware ke dilo mang o no bina wa no ba phela ba mbuka every day. I agree na ona bona hanan phela motho.
Turi 20 million vele iya toilet iya dinkomo.
Ke busho every day. A ona montsare mo motho. Sangithi.
Yes.
Sabe ta speak. Kacha. Kora thoma bula matho wena ona kwa setseng go re moshile ka mogomora go wa uso mongwe so. Ha bula so yalla ka motlonga. Jerusalem.
Yeah, Jerusalem. Epsu akulaleki.
Yeah.
Akulaleki epsu.
Are lize awutlela to ya mo go. Somali suki.
But mo phethi imali akulaleki.
Yebo. Uyithola kuphi isikhathi sokucabanga?
Ke tseba uthi yo roba la ATM ing. Yemela 12 ya chelete client.
Uyabona.
Chelete.
Ya ona batho ba mo gore ba jalo rotse.
No. Oh, that's where drugs comes in, bo ecstasy.
Yeah.
Agreed to Sarabana. Uchaiva wire.
Yeah, we have got to go to
Uchaiva 2 days, that's a robot, non-stop.
Yeah, to agree about personally. Magic ecstasy. But then, what's an aboom?
Which was also a chelete. How now no robot, one of Gary one lose.
Shake a team.
So, how about to lose each and every second of life having money?
So
do you own your own record label?
Yeah, now just registered the record label, Zamaya Productions.
Again?
Zamaya.
So you have your own artist now?
We are me and my business partner, Sbu. Sbu says we are about to sign our first artist.
Oh, this is new.
Yeah, it's new, but the artist is in a studio.
Okay, you have a studio.
So artist there is now. Yeah. And the peanuts in Shidere, no one okay. Too much for I don't sign a fair.
Yeah, I don't sign a because get record company, trying to sign.
It's a record to go
sign a metal of it.
That's a man, what's a record? I don't know Pumela Liva.
Yeah,
focus on artistic.
I believe your stable will do well because you come from the vultures and the hyenas. Yeah. So you'll do good.
Definitely.
Do you promise you'll do good?
I believe.
You won't give what you've received.
No. I never started the thing. Because
my belief, But we can never rectify the mistakes of the past.
No.
But we can start wherever we are and make it better.
Azanga ka Thomasela ka thomo opela azanga ka go ropa batho.
Yeah.
So le hona banong ke be sa same routine ke be ke singa go thomo opela. Ha ke ra go level a so go ropa batho. Ke nyoko proof point.
Yeah. We can do it.
Go motho montsho wa khono tso.
Yeah.
Ise motho moholo montsho wa monna. A berekele bana ba banyana ba batho ba bantsho. A ba ro.
Let's talk about crime.
Yeah.
Does crime pay?
I did crime.
How was it like?
I know crime.
Yeah.
I know crime. I know crime a lot.
Yeah.
I've done different types of crime.
Yeah.
And it's aggressive.
Yeah.
What I can tell you about crime, when I did it, I didn't have a family. I didn't have a baby. I did it for Wanabako High so that they can go to school.
Yeah.
But I'm a bit confused because confused it after my mom's loss. O fitlhile point e leng gore crime ke feel gore ke kgone bona di-picture balo ne kgone go shia tšhomo ya ka wele mo fatshe mara no ke kgone se bona snepe sa motho a wile mo kuranteng mo YouTube and then I ask myself many questions or maybe it's because I transformed many times ke ba artist ke ba so get the position after all ke na le batho ba bantši ba ba nratang how are they gonna feel if they see me laying down. And then what about batho ba ira because ke itse ke risk aba boela tsona dilo tse ira gore o fitlho ditseno.
So what make you to change?
You know, as much as I tell you that I've done it, ke didn't kono bona rona motho ga re mastering.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not master wa para.
I'm not master crime.
Wa black belt.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yena ba ga re nyena wa feta mo la shile ka tsebe mo le.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ke lucky dite. Ya ke monate mo le biding.
Yeah.
Ke tshwara ke
lucky.
Ya ka tshika ke la lo tsotlhe ke tsama ka 50.
Ke matais.
Ke ira ka ke nya nga yona. Ke khono ba thuntse ke sa tshoa. Mara bana what if go kra wa o thuntsa bana. Wa transkolong bote se se makepisi. E se motho wa vene motseng Alexander.
Yeah.
Sinoville.
Yeah.
Hey, flying squad.
Tole thaka ga tshwanang lo ena.
What hang advanced?
Yeah.
What are romela one?
Yeah.
What if?
Yeah, what if?
I've seen people by long or spina. Has one spina when you go.
Why but you was spinning when they die abana chelete? Khandi chelete by spinning by isakai chelete.
One problem you know.
Motua tlhokofala ana society. Ana life car.
Ke ntwe boranga crime. Wa bona crime go re sentse go tla go mafelo.
Ga go bona. Ko bona mama gae o robala balance tse ceiling ka letsogo metsi a kena mo.
O tla ha bjang gore ma se ntse ra tsena go konka.
Marotsa maso ko strategy. Wa ishei ka tsamaya. Una le movement. O apere 40,000 50,000. Khandi mo clever ke mo clever.
Wa bona go musicing le go crime. Nna lo thoba mba detse ta. Se la go mfano mongwe a nga se mmale ka lebitso o sa tile no wa music.
Yeah.
Ke no ene ke ara na ene mine ene ke ntse mi
o tsala mama van boy am positive
ara mine ene ke neng iphuza jo buza champagne mine o tsala am lebella ba ka mo tsara bana hospital hona batho ba mbathese go music le go crime ka o tlhadisetsa ka pex
ba tla le setrago
a tlhadisetsa trago
ba shapa dithu
ba thela minwana apply a bona so go crime wa bona ba o kore wena o fitlhile le mvemvana go mara wa spina motho a tlhadisetsa minwana ka bo tshosno e betho ya kushi o le ba lo magogo ene ba no le ona nthwele go ira nyela di kushina le papalasi ntho mo le mona le papalasi ya manyana go mo hopotsa ke ke mo hopotsa o tshwere ke phabi ya motho e addictive there motho yo kwa bushiso skalo yo go bona maboxa di tlhakotsa di le 30
motho a fetso tshwara tšhelete o batla kwana shop o batla kwana khushi
a fetsa ba go
kwadiwe go because go tlile ena a reke all mates a reke ntwai1
a fetsa ba
100 times
ayeko
ha fitla kwa ha sa thola pesuku
nine bina bata 12 klimora
Khotla magazine shem. Yena o sa benefitang mo tšheleteng e ya crime.
9 peanut butter 12
O tla ka tšhelete mndende mo.
9 peanut butter 12
O tla ngwana batho o itlhupegileng wa tukunyana skepsel sa batho na go tshwere tšhelete o mo dampile wa la the slave queen ha so fahlakiwa go tla ngwana o
phela le teng motho mbea
esa
no le serial killer go ofa o nna mosadi mongwe ngwana o ntse ka morwa a ntse a bolaile bana ba mphakati ngwana o teng motho o support-ang o ntse o ira ditšhipa.
How do we motivate batho ba tshwanang le bao? People who always give, ne? But they suffer the most. People who are inspired by being humble, Kamorata, Mara, ha benefit mo leratong leo. Wa khawathega motho.
It's very sad.
He's a giver or she's a giver. She or he's a prayer warrior. Wa compromise, I think it means how shubile, clever di mushubeti. And batho bao ha ke sheba nna aba benefit mo lifeng batho bao. Who benefita the shark, the slave queen.
Batho ba lokileng gore man ba safara mo life.
So how do we motivate batho ba lokileng to make them strong, whatever that they believe, or how do we change their mindset? How can we educate them?
I would say
people are Christians, let's say church goers, but man get again every Sunday. Pastor loving, marabashupeya.
Well, to man get a question.
Yeah.
You can put a question, you know?
Yeah.
So reply.
Yeah.
Can you go around a question now?
Yeah.
Can you go put a generation?
Yeah.
Because ka ira ya kokwaka ne ke bona tshumtsa tse di tla tumetela batho ba oloka ba rekela di Tupperware.
Yeah.
Do you think it tla ba teng season ya batho ba oloka hona ba no maybe ke nako ya batho ba ileng hore ba ke nako ya batho ya di haena
Mamela,
ore e tla jika nna ke go re
let me answer this question. We are one and the only nation that is called Abantu, whereby sin Ubuntu, humanity, mutuke mutukabatu, next door, haikupa sunlight, raifa, swikiri, love your neighbor as much as you love yourself. Why did it destroy this thing? It's democracy.
Ka upola ke salomunya ka Christmas feta tlo ba fa dikuku ba
Yeah.
No motho wa donoriwa
You know what has destroyed it? Put it straight to the point. It's Western culture. Our culture as Africans, it's the most beautiful culture we had. So the other countries, they are jealous of us because they've damaged their countries. But Lidekadi Aidom Zabo, man for himself, God for us all. Angeke sisalunga thina ngoba masilunga siyakhawatheka. So kungcono vele zilime ziyetsheni, tit for tat, butter for fat, ikhothe ingaykhothe kahle. You know other countries, you get arrested for fangana sweets. Bare haskopa sweets say. Other countries utsipela motho litho, you going to prison. For sexual harassment. Those laws, these were from other countries. We never had that. No, so blind. That is why when times goes on, women will be toy. But it's a phone we are facing that era. Ausana trust molfatsi. It's dog eat dog. So it's meant for himself. Sisamile semasontweni sithola ukuthi emasontweni abafundisa amamafia. Sizokhalela bani manje? La sikhalela khona bayasicedelela. Siyahamba siyobophisa sisitshela amaphoyisa ukuthi nami umfazi ungishayile. Umfazi wenza so bathi uhlula umfazi wena. Indoda ayicomplain, indoda akumelanga ikhale. So we are creating this beast, and we are feeding it. And then this beast now is going to turn against us. So now that's my take on what you've asked. That won't happen anymore. Ubuntu angeke busaba khona. Ubuntu abufuneki. Ngoba mo apply ubuntu uphazamisa system.
Yes, sir.
Western culture has killed African culture. Akumelanga sisabe ukukhuluma. Thina besingayazi lento ukuthi ezakho. Mara manje sokublind umuntu nomuntu usebenzela isisu sakhe ayikho into esizoyenza. Noma sisebenzela isisu sakhe uyohuzuka. So ubani ufuna ukuhuzuka? But because we are leaders, Runa, you've been given a wisdom to overcome all odds. A leader knows disadvantages before he executes his leadership skill. Before, nobody told me about them. I know who am I know what I'm capable for, and I know who's my enemies. You sign under code, under oath. Utshwana le lo sign ang le satana tinga sign and I mean send your posikas ukuthi ngibe rich. Nathi siya sign noNkulunkulu. Sithi mina nendlu yami siyawukhonza uJehova. Noma ngabe kwenzakalani uza ngehama uza ngebrabus angeke ngijutheke. Ngescrap sami engihamba ngaso ku right. Imoto yami yaka 1975 or yaka 1986 noma ungashama gusha i10 a day wa change wenzela wena wenzele mina awunyakazisi mina uyabona siyafana angithi usayinile nami ngiyasayina. My brother, let's go back to the topic. You've asked a most important question. You've said to me, my generation was a generation of givers. Will that happen in the next generation? Mina, I say it won't happen. Because the Western culture has condemned the African culture. Umhlaba wonke, globally, we are the only Abantu. There won't be other Abantu. There's Abantu, there's Mlungu. And Mlungu can't be Muntu. Umlungu. That's where we differ. Umlungu, umuntu. Umuntu angeke abe umlungu. Umlungu angeke abe umuntu. So people are scared. We live with fear. We are scared to give. We are scared to help. Because you raise somebody to become your killer.
And it's like that.
Or to Wamaka. Since you've been growing as a boy. They never returned the same favor. They've betrayed you. But a
lot.
So this is what you're talking about.
I'm not surprised. Yeah, ish, man, ish. So we have to go back now again to what I was saying.
Yes, I'm with you because you are a leader. You are born with beyond greatness.
We're going to be able to teach kids how to control emotions, not over-retaliate.
Life is so cruel.
You know? Because, akibone nakukelo munyana nerito ka boma December rema so remela mawilisi remela thebe remela mtu remela tikisi
ne ba tseba gore ke mmango shota go so release vibe ya music.
Understand?
I remember my mother ne re mamela di hit ka ofela tsa December ata you khono shota ata ngi bazwile bonke ata khono shota ke Brenda Fassie. Again, Brenda Fassie. ashaya kushumutu.
We're busy, go top CD, we're busy, go music.
That's how we used to follow music. Yanum, awulatele. Why? Why is that role latela music?
I wanna more, ne?
What's one of the polo?
I want. Kono feta bashi. Mama let's go on a pole. Negi level is down to the bed.
Yeah.
I want a pole.
I sana 5A.
It was stadium. It was stadium. The guy won. Right to okay, sharp. I got a polo. More than a fever.
Yeah.
Nelson down to man.
Nagel Pagani. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pagania by force.
Of you clap.
I by choice.
Clap up right. And that heavy. Didn't is good music.
Yeah.
I give one to one on generations
anymore, ne? Le facile fedile.
Yeah, more.
Now we are going to le facile fedile.
What's an automobile every day again?
Every day.
And I believe, go not believe you. I saw what home, Baba way. Baba had to rope, Baba, wherever stay wool. News go on, I'll plug you good in Mutaso.
No, Baropa Baban. Uturi is like a revolving door.
Yeah.
Like escalators in the mall.
Yeah, when I turn out on
they go like this.
It's in the heat. When I turn out on the heat.
It's a repeating situation.
I will about pillars, Baba Tatres.
Hungary, Songaro was named Sotseba booking one side.
Yeah.
Hosani was kind of fellow Subono, Lomudo, Novasati, Indos, her father. Lomudo artist. Lomudo Washimari.
Who fit the summer of Perase, Lomudo?
Yeah?
Who fit the Ukawash?
That's why I was Ukula no Maini. I was Shine Gomaji for 5 minutes, Yonke, Ilogiti. Posa. Yes, Tonos. Hey, Ukabu Pelli. Futhi umuntu angene studio ayibhale leyo. Athi namhlanje siyatakwa namhlanje. Namhlanje siyatakwa, namhlanje ngibonene manje.
Aloka kuphelela le stage.
Umuntu ukhuluma noma yini nje. Uyazibuza lo muntu lo unomama lo muntu.
Akana lezala kuna next.
Uyamphuka lo muntu naba bomama bethu bamamele laba bizobhekelela ishow. Umuntu uyangena lapha uyathukana.
Athi duno.
Ukhuluma ngesex life yapha.
Yeah.
Uyaqule yena ukuya ngaye artist.
Ngiyabona nroba nomuntu.
Yo mfethu. Ayinakile ka stop umuntu ngathi awuthamba ayikabi. Hayi ngohlala kulabo mama bethu nabo sisi bethu la. Yabona lento leyo uyoyenza la uyiqale khona. Ufana tekire ake baphuki baba. Leyo uyiperforma kini ke leyo. Uzoyishaka ine dining room umbadele lo mama lo babakho. So we've gone wild as a nation up to understand that now we can't control. That's why now count my words. The world is over. Anything can happen from now. You know, when I look at my country, there's no party that will solve the issues of our country. Country rona tshwantse pathuliwe. Inkiwe di country engwe ba ishape ka coup d'etat. It's a term that is used in history.
Fanasa.
Yeah, coup d'etat tshwantse ba iqhwake ibe under new management. Mara everything run it werane. Utso se utso go na le lesole lo busa to yapi. Uthi ngisayo bona umngane wami ngane next batho ngathi ungabuyi la ilanga selishonile. That will solve the issues of our country. But having another party or having another party, it won't solve. What do you say politically?
I've heard topics like that people have never heard what you say. Asanga ka utlwa motho a bolela mo ntho e bolela.
Yeah.
Yeah, ya nthusa. Ke a itse ila eo.
Yeah.
Yeah, kana kwa mangope. Ke a itse.
Country ya rona e batla dictatorship. E batla one man one vote.
Ntho e bolela. Ke boletse le batho no.
Go sa tlhole go ba le government.
Ene ke yone ka ilukisa.
Ke yone ka ilukisa. E rana ke Royal House. And then government, ibe the manager fela tse server, ibe babereki under that Royal House. Itlaluka. Because this democracy thing, everyone has a say. Umuntu nomunye uza ngombono wakhe. Indlu enabobaba abaningi angeke silunge. There must be one father in a household. Ngeke sizoba bobaba si5. Loza ngomthetho wakhe, loza ngomthetho, simamele muphi umthetho. So i-country yethu ifuna ukuhijackwa ngoba ifilms ezama-Arab bathi under arrest zonke. Akekho nyakazayo, akekho ophumayo, akekho ongenayo. Ya, ingaloba. Isaba li party kuyavotiwa kwenziwane. That thing must be cancelled.
Yeah, it's just
it doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work. It's high time to face the bullet. Straight to the point, Baba. Angifuni ukutshela mama. Yeah. Ngoba sinombono sonke. Fika uphume ePietersburg unombono wase-Eastern Cape naye nombono. Nombono. Fika umuntu nje ufika amapunapuna eJozi kusasa sekagcoka ndapeni sekanombono. So angeke kusaluka. Believe me. My brother, what would you like to say to the people?
I'd like to tell my friends that I've worked very hard in the studio. I've really worked hard in the studio. I've got about songs that can make 2 albums, and they really convince me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start like how I started my career. I'm gonna drop a single with a music video. I'm also introducing new talent again. Like you know, Tim Mosha, first album, Musofa Slakan, upcoming artist. Senior Tlapatela. I was focusing on bringing people who have been bothering me over the phone. But when I get rehearse, I want to rehearse and routine is a tuna. So the name of the song is not there.
Oh, you're the artist that is rehearsing.
Yeah, I'm rehearsing.
So let's talk about those who don't rehearse. Umuntu avela stage inile ayoshaye ingoma ezi-15 alokathi asibone izadla emoyeni.
Piracy.
Ke broad daylight robbery.
Piracy, ke urobinye.
People must go to rehearsal. People must rehearse. That is why Americans will be paid 50 million to come and perform. When about Shapeka 5,000.
Bon, I read the song. Araskabolela ka tsa freestyle.
Yeah.
Araskabolela ka style sa Sonia Kapate.
Yeah.
Arabolela ka style se sa pina tse bantso. I'm going to make an example. Asibe happy.
Yeah.
I know Amifa, she's a good singer.
Yeah.
And if I'm not mistaken, I shall be another. So I'm going to unplugged. That's it.
Yeah.
We mean that the Monaco Qatar.
Ay muta mai magaka muta Kenya stick
man right
bese pina ibina liwani mo lanza a opela yena di lyric wa di mesa lu di mesa
at least ga itse idols le American idols di ga tshwana.
So there's a difference between a studio artist and a performer.
Yeah,
maybe they don't understand.
A person can get bookings ka pay for asna hit.
Yes. No artists like that.
Yeah.
I've performed with artists like those who have never been famous.
Yeah.
No. Basili number 1 in the country.
Azanga on TV.
Mara, come to the
performance.
stage.
No performance no go. Listed thing about to Mbaba. Malinga. What's called a stadium with Debra? No.
Yeah, I've seen him. Kechima is a stadium so. Yeah, what perform me?
Yeah, what perform?
Full of one of the rehearsing.
Okona no pina.
Kalazila hamba yojima lo muntu.
Le DJ, no stop. I bet he got capella. It's more pina ngole ga ba itse di presets.
Yeah.
But you need voice.
Yeah.
A o khona utlwa artist e la idlala street re ba tlore.
So la o khona le utlwa le voice ya ga ya maneti gore. Uyocula la or umshini ocula la.
Yeah, na bona nna gore mana ke groove nna.
My brother, wish you all the best. Wish you good luck and thank you for coming.
Sure,
Siyabonga.
Yeah, kubonga mina for the opportunity.
Singabantu ngawe.
Mina manje ngijabulele ukubona wena Rodman. Nawazi ukuthi I feel special ukubona abantu labangazi ukuthi bayikhona industry and they're still alive.
Yeah. Asibonga uthami ukuziphatha kahle. Ukuphuza amanzi nokugeza ngesikhathi sokulala. Kuyageza kusho ukuthi izinto azenze emhlabeni siyazenza zonke lezi zinto but we draw the line. Discipline, the measure of all, timing.
Sure.
Yazi ngibona intwana esibhazi ngana timing. Ayikho intwana enginyanisa njengentwana engana timing. Intwana espeedayo nje. Ebiza umuntu omdala ngegama. Okay, those ngaphuma TV, so-called celebrities. Singama actors ini. Yabona intwana yofaila elifini uyizwa ngokubulisa kwayo nje first.
I don't get.
Hema orange.
Afana sana.
Oh, orange. Ina 4 years leso sikhathi. Kusho ukuthi soyabona ukuthi uphuma endlini enjani. Kusho ukuthi nobabakhe umbiza ngegama.
Kusho ukuthi kahle sethile nikhona konke.
So why thina singakhulanga kanjalo thina?
Emamelodi boys bondlela bathini? Bare Joe Mfisilo na.
Ejo. So manje umntwana intombazana makakwazi ukuthi orange ana 4 years.
Kusho ukuthi ko.
Kusho ukuthi makaseka na 10 years uyofuna ukulala nawe boss.
Yeah.
Ngoba the approach doesn't have respect. There's no father and a child there. Esasiyalingana. Sekabona intanga yakhe.
Athi orange.
Orange. Oh man, orange. Okay, ayinozoyenza
akuphelile.
No umhlaba uphelile. Yazi umhlaba babathu uphelile bakhuluma ngani. Asikhulumi ngeforce of gravity. Ukuphela komhlaba yibehavior yabantu. Umhlaba ubhubhile. Umhlaba esiphila kuwo ubhubhile uzwa mina ngokutshela. Sokungenzeka noma yini manje. Ngoba we don't have cultural values anymore. Principles, human dignity. That thing, everything has disappeared. That builds a nation into a good form. So umhlaba ubhubhile.
Yes.
Iland inhlabathi ingasala yona ikhona ngeke idisappear. Mara impilo ibhubhile. Ungizwe kahle ukuthi ngithini. Hayi kabi futhi hayi ngodlame. It's a sad reality. Asibonge mfethu.
So guys, please subscribe futhi ningakhohlwa yabona state mina no Grootman uyangaida at Israel Matseke Zulu podcast YouTube bafowethu.
Mina angeke ngibatshela into eyi-1 ngithi subscribe. Bayazi ukuthi kumele ba-subscribe.
At Israel Matseke Zulu bafowethu.
And more subscriber hayi ukuthi you making me a favor. You get an information from me. You need this information because you are the one who's in deep trouble. You are the problematic generation. So it is compulsory to tune into this program.
Ngathi ngambekela abantwana bami uIsrael yazi ukuthi yazi
awungenzeli favor mina. I've enjoyed my youth stage mina. Ngi-enjoyile ukuba umntwana. Ngenze yonke into ezwa abantwana ngeke ungilandele futhi. I've been a child. I've enjoyed my life. Irrespectively ukuthi we coming from poor families. Hey, ithi ngikhuluma iqiniso namhlanje. Ngikhule ngumntwana ohlakaniphile mina. Ngikhule nginemali. Yo, I was a striker, I was a maker. Yo, I was lucky. Yo, ngikhule nge-respecting, umntwana ohloniphile, umntwana osaba umzali mangishawa ngiyakhala, angizibambeli. Ngikhule kamnandi bafethu. Namhlanje vele iqiniso kumele vele silikhulume. Ngiyawuza all the time siyakhuluma, sikhule sihlupheka, apartheid. No. Beside apartheid, thina sikhule kamnandi thina. Bengithi mangiphume esikolweni, ngiyema scouting same time. Esikolweni bengiyi-choir member. I-musician iqale esikolweni. Mawuqala isikolo sub A, yini grade 1, is called intermediate, the choir. Then because I was great, I developed the boys choir. High school, it's mixed choir. Ngazi music ngama-Gulf mina. Do re mi fa so haya makimiki kuphela ko siyangena siyaphuma siyaphuza hozala gcwala sishaya idoti la so inombi mangiphuma lapho ngiyetenesini tennis pantsula scout baba nyolala. Let's go.
Sure guys, this is your boy MRD Team Mosha. Thanks Grootman for inviting me.
Yeah.
Khaya.
Konje uthe igama lamampela lasendlini ubani?
Mantsane Malala.
Mantsane.
Yeah.
Ke Mantsane.
Yeah.
Mantsane Malala.
Yeah.
From Mamelodi. Mums. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, please subscribe at
Israel.
Yeah.
Matseke Zulu
podcast.
Simple as that.
Lo mesa dilo tse sharp. Lo mesa information, lo mesa Grootman a sentse na phela, lo mesa a active la bona. I mean la itse le na bana ba sa itse re moshara no tla ba go le ntshone ba re ya mo ke ya mai lo brain ne le ya kisa ngwana so bana ba need malome ba khona ba utlwa ba fa information mo TV so please subscribe for it Israel Matseke Zulu podcast and then I'm dropping new music for you too one of this I've been working very hard in studio nice projects are coming and le na ba banyane ba le go era music ya se music fela ba fethu ne na le sekolo hona le karate hona le dilo tse ding mo phelong but ntho important ke sekolo ba fethu ne ntho ya piano e ya eng ya e possible ga hela mamantlo wa bya chelete wa ira but are bien sekolo go pele ba fethu and stay safe use a condom please
Israel Matseke Zulu, the ghetto professor, fruit and veg, posore, fruits, manamune, General Potaski, ghetto professor, ikusheshe. Ni town le ngoma le ikusheshe. Kusheshe. Kama na mahomo sha isandla selfende banana dashboard. Panel executive, puzzling and puzzling. Akangizoloke ngintshela into eyi-1 every week la ngithini. Downloada lapho. Wenzela wena nekusasa lakho. Mama support thina. Labantu basupportayo ba wrong. Supporta thina, uma usupporte thina. Kusasa umntwana wakhe obhema ama drugs la uye ejele eSun City le bammele la. Uzokungirasela la ukuthi ngizokusiza. Abasho asibambisaneni.
Sure, please.
Yes, let's
one love.